Hello everyone, I'm Steve.
And I'm Cheryl.
And this is our adventure truck Maximus we built about 2 years ago. We've been in the middle of about a 2,500 mile whirlwind tour.
And this is part 4, where we get to see the California coast and the Redwoods National Park. With 95% of the world's coastal redwoods right here in California, it is our chance to go see the world's tallest trees, and we hope you come along for the ride.
Yeah, we're in very northern California where we just came in from Oregon, and we're following along the Smith River, and we've come into some groves of redwood.
There are 2 ways to really see groves of trees. One is via a scenic drive, and there are 2 in the park that will handle an RV, and the other, of course, is walking or hiking. We actually do both of those on our stops in Jedediah Smith and Prairie Creek Parks. California coastal redwoods follow the fog and thrive at elevations below 2,000 feet. Trees can grow 350 feet or more with a base diameter of about 20 feet. And the oldest of the redwoods are 2,000 years old and show no signs of dying out.
Hey Cheryl, how big is that tree? It's this big?
Does anything look odd to you? I was just coming back from walking, and the corner of the gray tank is no longer bolted where it should be. Come here and look.
Is the bolt still there?
Yes, the bolt's there. You see what I'm saying?
I just tightened up the one on the other side. I think I do. The other part of it is that the hook that's up on the other side fell off too. Scalpel.
Zip tie. That's why we carry zip ties.
Yeah, KX Razor was wondering what zip ties I use. This is one of them.
The fog is like descending on us as we're driving. We just got on the 101 heading south. Stopped at one redwood area and we are continuing on to some more. Look at the view. It's a little sad today. Not great weather. It's a vista of some faraway waves and a bunch of clouds.
There'll be an ocean behind that dark cloud.
It's coming to get you. Beware. I am coming to get you. Next stop was Prairie Creek Redwood Forest. There's a scenic byway with multiple scenic stops as you approach this area. You exit off of Highway 101 and just meander down the parkway, discovering a variety of groves, trails, and trees.
Where's Waldo?
I don't know, I found my husband. What were you doing before?
Hold the trees up. This is our first time stay at a casino, and if you're wondering what it's like, we found the parking here to be very pleasant, the parking lot to be quiet, and everything was absolutely safe and secure, and we would definitely do this again.
Indulging in a hot, cheap breakfast.
Yeah.
Mr. Herrick's needs energy for our drive today.
Lots of energy.
And casino options, there are more than one in this general area of the Northern California coast. Is a great way to travel through the coast area as a boondocker.
Because there are so few places that you can actually park overnight.
So there's our parking spot in the parking lot. You're at the south end. There's some other RVers. And then it's in the fog. Got the buildings right there. Hotel and the casino. Very nice. We just had our breakfast. And I think we're getting ready to go soon.
You are?
Yeah, Cheryl has to do a little bit of work and then we're going to head out.
Let's just straighten the hair.
I can't straighten this hair. You should know that by now.
On the next leg of this trip, we have quite a bit of mileage yet to cover, and we will be down in the Central Coast and exploring the 17-mile drive area.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.